Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy baby collection. Baby footwear collection, baby footwear, crochet, booties patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns. Most beautiful designs and ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy baby crochet boot design. Soft and beautiful baby crochet boots. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, bow tie, ribbon ideas you can see also. Your babies can easily move, can easily wear these very beautiful soft bow ties. See beautiful designs, beautiful colors, light colors, dark colors, color combination contrasts, stylish designer ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet boot design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Highly running patterns, knitted patterns for your sweet babies you can see in this my video.